Do you guys have a new Edge Mustang? Do your headlights suck too? Do you have this feeling like you're lacking an enormous amount of masculinity? You drive a Mustang? Is it also a V6? Are you tired of your ugly halogen bulbs? Then boy, do we have a solution for you. Bam! Auxito LED bulbs. Get rid of your halogens and upgrade to the LED. Do your headlights look like this? Ugh. Well, they could look like this. Ooh, damn! But are they easy to install? Well, let's find out. Most of these new Edge Mustangs have these sweet little pull clips. Bah. And the headlight just pops right out. From there, you have a little retaining clip and a connector. And bam, just like that. Easy peasy. If you guys are curious, the new Edge Mustang takes a 9007 or HB5 bulb style. Reinstallation is a breeze. Just get your headlight pressed in here, line up your tabs, press those bad girls back in, bam, you're all set. Now we just need to clean these puppies up. We're good to go. So here's the deal, guys. Auxito Lighting is an up-and-coming lighting manufacturer that is dedicated to bringing you guys a quality product at an affordable price. We've been fortunate enough to partner with them, and they sent us out these bulbs to test out, and honestly, night and day difference. We'll show you guys here shortly a night drive of the old bulbs versus these Auxito bulbs. And cool thing is they've blessed us with the opportunity to give you guys a discount. So if you guys go to their website, place an order, make sure to use a coupon code YSB15 for 15% off of your order. Obviously, it doesn't even have to be for Mustang products. Just go to the website, check out what they have. They have a good selection of all sorts of different types of vehicles and things. So YSB 15 for yellow shop builds, 15% off. All right, so go check them out, and link will be provided down in the description with their website as well as the discount code. Make sure you go check them out. All right, guys, it is night. I apologize, I got my defrost running. It's like 37 degrees outside. Let's test these headlights. These are the OEM headlights, the halogens, low beam, no highs. You can kind of get my foggy windshield in the picture, but don't mind this, the turbos and the exhaust coming out the hood. Yeah, not very bright. taking the same path with the Auxito LED headlights. I don't think the video will do the amount of difference justice. It's such a better, crisp, white light. Much happier. High beam looks weird, but yeah. So what do you guys think? Not bad, huh? YSB15, link in the description. Go check them out. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one.